Good morning, everyone. And today it's going to be a full-fledged review about one of the finest ever payment system, which is being accepted digitally and locally by many companies, many countries. It's been one of the preferred option for many freelancers working online, many bloggers working online, many affiliate marketers working online who want to do their business online. It's an ideal solution for them. Through Payoneer to receive payments and even to send payments to anyone. It's a great way. There are no fees in case if you are sending or receiving payment between Payoneer users each other. If they send or receive to someone, there are no charges. The only deduction is when you receive a payment from a company or if you withdraw to your bank account, and that too very minor charges. I've been using Payoneer for around few years, and it's been undoubtedly a great experience so far for me for using Payoneer. And if someone asks me on would you recommend Payoneer to someone or not, definitely I'm gonna recommend it. It's not I'm being paid for. No, I'm not paid from Payoneer to do a review. It's just a natural opinion based on a freelancer myself and a digital marketer myself. I personally recommend everyone to use Payoneer. It's a great way. It also comes with an attached debit card. You have two options. You can use a virtual card online, or you can get a physical card at your home. And through that, you can do purchases. You can use it on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, online payments, online stuff. You have to buy something from online. You have to do something. Even it works offline as well. You have to pay a bill at restaurant, something, and acceptably, you can even use it for ATM withdrawals around the world. In any country, you can use it. No doubtly, it's a great experience. You can receive direct payments. It also comes in multiple currencies. I'm going to show you when I'm in the app section, and I'm going to show you in the detail on how it apps works. So far my experience is very good, and the only drawbacks is twice I have to do a verification. They holded my account for verification. I had to provide them with my NAC, identification number, identification address, postal address, something, I think it's a regulator requirement, and it's not bad. If you're doing everything legal, there are no issues if you have to provide them to Payoneer. So in a country like me where PayPal is not accepted, Payoneer again is a great solution. But even in those countries where PayPal is accepted, still Payoneer is a great way to send or receive payments due to no sending or receiving fees between Payoneer users, quick support, quick payments receiving and delivering, and you can have an option to withdraw at your bank accounts, and you can even use your cards to shop directly, or you can use your card for ATM withdrawals as well. So today I got another card. My last card was got damaged due to personal issues, and I had to get a new one. So I thought that when the new card is going to arrive, I'm going to do a live unboxing of the card. So let me hide my address and show it to you. I got my new card on my name. You can see my name here. It took me around 3 weeks to get the card delivered. If I'm not wrong, two weeks and 3 days, but you can get it sooner depending on where do you live. So it varies from where do you live. So it's basically from Payoneer. You can see if you have to, in case if it's showing correctly to you, you can see now it's from Payoneer. And in case if it's undelivered, you have to return back to PO box. It's directly from Birmingham, UK. So it's all approved. So I'm gonna unbox my card of Payoneer live here. Definitely I'm using this card online for my personal needs. It's a very great way to even do shopping online. It's mostly accepted, when I was having a trouble paying online at a country where my country was not listed, because I live in Pakistan, so it was not an issue with this card because this card is globally accepted. So although my other cards are also globally accepted, but at offline shops or at ATMs, but not for online not everywhere. But this card can be used for online shopping, so it's a great thing. So I'm a little bit excited as well to open it, and you can see this. It's directly from Payoneer. So they have my new card, and luckily my last card, if I show you, was I have to search it on in my wallet, which actually was not swiping correctly on ATM machines due to my own personal issues. This old card is actually in white color, but today I got a new card which is in new color schemes like this. You can see it now. You can see it. It's a blue and a black combination, and I have to activate my card online. In case if you want to see backside, you can see it this way. Sorry, I have to hide my numbers, you know, privacy is a thing. And so yeah, it also has a barcode now. Yeah, the previous one even has a barcode as well. So it's a new card for me. Yeah, I got an expiry of 3 years from now, so it's a good way. Now let's move on to the app, and let me show you on how the app actually works out. So this is the main dashboard. When you open the app on your mobile phone, you can see my balance here. Other currencies are also being shown: EUR balance, British pound, Japanese yen, Canadian balance. So since you know I'm using two currencies right now, it's Canadian and USD, you can see my active balance over there. Now below side there are options of transaction, multiple transactions I have done. You can see a little bit history about it as well, on what transactions I have done. Now moving on to transactions, it's going to show me all my transactions and upcoming transactions. You can see all the stuff. Now the third option is track actions. I can see my managed currencies, capital advance, payments to Payoneer, pay to someone's bank account, request a payment. I can do other stuff. Now if you have to manage currency, in managed currencies what I can do is I can move my balance from one currency to another. Let's say if I have to move from USD, I can do it to Canadian balance, and I can just send. Let's say if I do $12, you're gonna see 0.5% of fees are deducted by Payoneer for this, and I can do the transfer. So I can manage my currencies. I can send payments from one to another. In case I have to pay someone in another currency, I can use it. It's a great way, and I can use it to send payments to someone. In case I have to pay in another currency. So ideally it's again a wonderful platform for exchanging currencies as well. Now if in transactions, you can see my other transactions. The other thing is here is I have an option for a capital advance. It's usually not going to be available for me, but usually if I do active trading or active maintain a balance, I usually get an offer. Let's say if I have to I get something for extra per surcharge, I can get an additional amount of money to use in my business. I got my offer once or twice, but I never used it, which is why this offer is not active much on my account, because I don't use capital advance. I do not need advance capital at the moment. The other option is to pay to recipient Payoneer account, pay to recipient bank account as well, and I can send payments to someone bank as well. And it's a great, in case in other countries if I have to pay from one country to another, it's a slightly difficult procedure. So with the Payoneer, it's a process that's very easy, and you can pay from one country to another. Thanks to digital solutions. And Payoneer is one such which can do. PayPal is also good. I'm not saying PayPal is bad, but I do personally use Payoneer because it's accepted at all the platforms I use, and also is accepted with my country and regulator as well. So it's my personal preference. I can request a payment from someone. If I have to, let's say if I'm doing a service and I want to get a payment, I can request someone. And if I have to pay someone else money, he can send me a payment request, and I can pay through the payment request, and I can do it. And withdraw to bank, with the withdraw to bank option, I can withdraw the money directly to my account in my local currencies. Here you can see my cards. You can see my card detail. I know the rest of the details are personal, so you don't need to look on them. So it's something really personal. But other things in the settings: pending task, verification, legal support, refer a friend. I have other options available on my Payoneer app, through which I can do other things. in settings I can do different stuff. Let's say I have to use a biometric on my app, I have to do quick signing, I have to change the language, I have to change the settings about notifications, I can do in my settings tab. If there are any pending tasks, let's say if I got my account approved, sometimes there are pending tasks like you have to get your NSE approved and blah blah. So right now there are no pending tasks. With the legal options, there are legal privacy details are being shown here, and the others are support center. You can request a support in case if you want it. So overall, it's a great way. It's a great platform to use it. I have even written an article on my blog about why Payoneer is a good solution and why I've been using Payoneer for over the years. I have discussed in details about the benefits I can get. So it's widely accepted. I can use my account all over the world. So it's a very great payment gateway. I can even ask my clients to pay me through Payoneer. It was primarily being founded in 2005, and it got my personal attention later in 2012 when people started using it. So it has around 1200 people with 14 different locations around the globe, and its headquarters is in New York, USA. The address is 410 Park, A15th floor, New York, United States. I can do bank wire, I can do payments, I can use ATM. It's a very good. The fee structure is nowadays it's a slight one, but I got it for free. I do not have any charges. However, my Canadian dollar, in case I do not maintain a balance, I have to pay $1. But otherwise, all in all, it's a great way. And I mean, you just have to pay the charges in case if you don't actively use it. Otherwise, it's working very well. So in case if you ask me for the rating, I'm gonna rate it out of 9.5 out of 10. Why? Because it's too good. To be really honest, it's too good, and I'm going to definitely recommend you to get your account at Payoneer and start using it for your online or offline needs, and especially for your online needs. It's the best platform for your online. So I hope you like my Payoneer review and unboxing of the Payoneer card. If you have any comments, you are more than welcome to ask. If you have anything I've left asking about the Payoneer, you are more than welcome to ask in the comments. If you have any concerns, you can ask me in the comments. If you have any suggestions for me, you can ask me in comments. Do share the video and do watch it. And that's enough from my side. Thank you and bye bye.